Black Dog Network contributors. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Crypto Joel. Today I will share with you these people behind the success of Black Dog. So welcome to the Black Dog Network contributors page. Meet the talented individuals whose dedication and expertise drive the innovation and success of our groundbreaking blockchain technology. So these are the people behind the success of Black Dog. They are the developer of the Black Dog Network. So the first is Anthony Turner, so CEO and founder of the Black Dog. Anthony Turner is an accomplished C-level executive and serial entrepreneur with extensive experience building successful business in fintech and blockchain. As ex-COO of listed blockchain investment, the founder of the first true equally weighted crypto index fund in Switzerland, Anthony has a unique ability to conceptualize and execute on bold and ambitious project. So is one, Sisut Dr. Prof. Yusuf Kaloja, Chief Security Officer Yusuf Kaloja. He's a cybersecurity and blockchain expert known for developing robust security strategies and conducting smart contract audits. Currently the Chief Security Officer at Black Dog and an educator at University Internationale de Rabat. He has a background as the Group Chief Security Architect at Intelsia Group and has held key position at the Central Bank of Morocco. So XMBL Advisory Board, Stephen Clark, Senior Advisor. Stephen Clark Martin is a distinguished technologist and strategist with over 2 decades of experience in blockchain, digital transformation, and innovation management. As an advisor for partnership policy at Black Dog Network, Stephen leverages his extensive background in decentralized technology and strategic consulting to drive impactful industry collaboration and policy advancement. So, kanal blockchain is yun. Dr. Maurice Hurley, blockchain advisor. Maurice Hurley has an EB in mathematics from the Harvard University and a PhD in computer science from MIT. He has served on the faculty of Carnegie Mellon University and the staff of the Cambridge Research Lab. He is the recipient 2003 the Struck Prize in Distributed Computing, the 2004 Gödel Prize in Theoretical Computer Science, the 2008 ISCA Influential Paper Award, the 2012 Gear Dijkstra Prize, and the 2013 Wallace McDowell Award. So, ex-member in Brown University, Harvard University, and MIT. Okay, so these are the people behind Black Dog. Okay, but remember, this is not a financial advice. This is always a educational purpose only. More research about this Black Dog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto Joel. Thank you.